English sentences. That even natives get wrong 1, effect versus effect, the medicine will affect you. The medicine had an effect on you. Second, lose versus loose, don't lose your phone. My shoes are loose. Third, accept versus accept, I accept your gift. Everyone is invited except John. 4, then versus than, I'll eat dinner, then sleep. She is taller than me. 5, advice versus advise, he gave me advice. He advised me to rest. 6, there versus their house. The book is over there, they're happy. 7, it's versus it's, the dog wagged its tail. It's a sunny day. 8, principal versus principal, the school principal, a strong principle in life. 9, compliment versus compliment, she gave me a compliment. That scarf complements your dress. 10th, stationery versus stationery, the car was stationary. I bought stationery for school.